Hello kids, welcome to the fish puzzle challenge. Let's get started. Each piece has a unique color. Take a look at this fish and you will notice that it made up of various sections, each marked with a color name. The first piece, yellow piece. Is yellow color. His body is yellow color. Another color is white. It's white color. Another color is blue color. Let's find the blue color. Yes, perfect. This tiny dot, it's black color. It's black color. Wow, it's red color. His mouth is red color. It's pink color. Let's find the pink color. Pink color. It's green color. Green color. It's purple color. Purple color. Our final piece, it's orange color. Orange color. A beautifully completed fish puzzle. You did it. Thank you for taking the fish puzzle challenge. Hope you enjoy the video. Until next time, bye bye.